This is Kai's Avalanche escape set. Go, Kai! There he goes. There goes Thomas. Going by the garbage pit monster. Up the hill! Up the hill! Is he gonna make it? Oh! That was awesome!
Yeah. Okay, go car!
Uh-oh! Here he goes for round 2. Coming up, coming up, coming up! Ah! Oh! He ate it. He ate it.
He crashed!
He crashed! Small adjustment on the track here.
Now, let's try
Let's try
the new legal.
Gita.
Yay!
Alright, Gator, go. Here goes Gator. Ah! Here it comes. Oh, gotta reset. Ah! I wasn't ready. Ah. We weren't reset yet. Okay, wait.
Wait!
There we go. Now he's reset. Here he goes. Wow, Gator's pretty fast too. Pop! Recycle bin wants to. Here goes Gator. Ah! He made it! Or kind of. Is that cool?
Yeah.
There goes, one more try. Pop! Let's see. Oh! Alright, we're gonna get it. Yeah, Kai?
Yeah.
It's still fun, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, say thank you, Mommy.
Thank you, Mommy.
You having fun?
Yes.
Okay. Love you, Mommy.
I love you, Mommy.
Pop!
Bye.
Here it comes one more time. Let's see if it makes it this time. Come on, you did it, you can do it. Oh, boy. Bye.